Nothing kills a party faster than a dead air hockey table with weak airflow and dead spots. But what if you could bring that arcade intensity home? Welcome back! We're revealing the top tables that deliver lightning-fast play. Check the links below to grab yours and turn your game room legendary. The number 6 product on our list is MD Sports Air Hockey Table. The friction of a slow, dragging puck can kill the competitive spirit of a game room in seconds. Most arcade enthusiasts are disappointed by weak blower motors that leave the equipment feeling like a dusty relic rather than a high-speed arena. This 7.5-foot Titan solves that lackluster performance with a 120-volt motor delivering 90 cubic feet per minute of airflow for lightning-fast puck movement. It addresses the common struggle of tracking intense matches with an overhead LED electronic scorer that features 5 different time settings and authentic arcade sound effects. While smaller tabletop versions feel cramped, this competition-sized build utilizes steel legs with oversized 6-inch levelers to ensure a perfectly flat surface on any flooring. It is a vital choice for social hosts and parents who want to host 4-player team battles right out of the box. The relief of seeing the puck fly across a UV-coated surface provides a massive surge of pure excitement. Although the assembly requires a large room for full movement, the sheer industrial build is a monumental upgrade for your entertainment space. Trade your quiet evenings for the high-octane pulse of a professional stadium. At number 5 is Atomic Air Hockey Table. A dark room becomes an electric battlefield the second you ignite the multicolor Lumen X technology embedded within this high-octane arena. Most gamers face the soul-crushing boredom of static, lifeless tables that fail to capture the sensory overload of a real arcade. This 82-inch powerhouse solves that lack of atmosphere by syncing red, green, and blue lighting effects with high-tempo music for total immersion. It addresses the common frustration of dead spots on the playfield with a robust 120-volt motor that ensures a constant cushion of air for flawless puck travel. While the MD Sports model leans toward a classic look, this unit features a specialized LED hexagonal spinner puck for chaotic, unpredictable rebounds that keep even pros on their toes. It is an essential acquisition for tech-loving families and competitive roommates who want their basement to feel like a neon-soaked stadium. The relief of seeing the slick PVC surface withstand an aggressive match provides a massive sense of satisfaction. Although the lights require a nearby outlet, the sheer aesthetic energy is a monumental leap forward. Step into the future of home entertainment, where every goal is a light show. At number 4 is Freetime Fun Air Hockey Table. A staggering 210 cubic feet per minute of raw air volume means the puck doesn't just slide, it practically teleports across the high-gloss surface. Most homeowners are haunted by the hollow, wobbly feel of entry-level equipment that rattles with every strike. This commercial-grade powerhouse solves that structural weakness by utilizing steel-to-steel connections and solid core legs that eliminate table movement entirely. It addresses the common nuisance of uneven basements with precision leg levelers and a wear-resistant melamine finish that shrugs off aggressive play. While the Atomic model prioritizes neon visuals, this unit focuses on pro-style aluminum inner rails for lightning-fast rebounds and authentic stadium sound effects. It is a vital upgrade for serious hobbyists and active families who need a 30-minute assembly time without sacrificing industrial durability. The relief of playing on a surface with 0 dead spots provides a massive surge of competitive joy during every match. Although the high-pressure finish is built for toughness, the sheer mechanical precision is a monumental win for your game room. Stop settling for arcade imitations and command a table that matches your intensity. The third one on our list is BCP Air Hockey Table. The dream of owning a stadium-sized arena often dies the moment you realize your spare room is actually quite small. Most enthusiasts are forced to choose between a tiny tabletop toy and a massive commercial beast that blocks every walkway in the house. This 58-inch mid-sized challenger solves that spatial dilemma by offering a robust 12-volt DC motor that provides surprisingly even airflow without the bulk of a professional cabinet. It addresses the common struggle of shaky gameplay with crossbar leg supports and reinforced corners that keep the frame steady during aggressive scoring streaks. While the Freetime Fun model is a heavy industrial investment, This composite wood build features both manual and LED scorekeeping to bridge the gap between classic feel and modern tech. It is a fantastic choice for growing families or apartment dwellers who need a safe, certified game that engages both kids and adults. The relief of finding a secure puck dispenser on each side keeps the momentum high and the frustration low. Although the 12-volt motor is quieter than high-flow blowers, the sheer balance of size and performance is a monumental win for your home. Claim your territory and start a new era of competitive joy in any corner of your life. On number 2 is Triumph Sports Air Hockey Table. Turning off the lights is usually the end of a game night, but here, it marks the beginning of a neon-soaked revolution in your living room. Most players feel a dip in energy when the atmosphere is flat and the puck movement is sluggish. This Lumen X-infused arena solves that boredom by utilizing dual motor blowers that maintain a high-speed cushion for non-stop competitive action. It addresses the common frustration of manual scorekeeping with an integrated electronic display that tracks every goal while synchronized audio effects pump up the intensity. While the BCP model offers a traditional mid-sized feel, this unit features cascading LED rail lighting and glowing strikers that allow for high-stakes matches in total darkness. It is an essential acquisition for energetic teens and social hosts who want to transform a basement into a high-energy arcade hub. The relief of seeing a sturdy frame hold steady during a frantic tiebreaker provides a massive surge of pure entertainment value. Although the light-up features require batteries for the puck, the sheer sensory immersion is a monumental leap for your social gatherings. Rewrite the rules of your downtime by bringing the electric pulse of the night indoors. Now moving to the last one is the American Legend Air Hockey Table. The aesthetic soul of a home often dies the moment a bulky, plastic-looking game table clutters a carefully curated living space. Most homeowners suffer from the visual eyesore of cheap arcade equipment that looks like it belongs in a basement corner rather than a modern interior. This sophisticated Kirkwood model solves that design dilemma by blending a rustic wood finish with striking K-shaped legs for a contemporary furniture feel. It addresses the common struggle of tracking fast-paced goals with an inlay electronic scoring system that provides authentic sound effects without bulky overhead bars. While the Triumph Sports model focuses on neon lights, this unit utilizes a powerful 110-volt blower motor to deliver consistent arcade-style speed across a massive 84-inch surface. It is a vital asset for style-conscious parents and adult gamers who want a centerpiece that feels both rugged and refined. The relief of finding a built-in control panel for quick game setup provides a massive sense of organizational ease. Although the large footprint requires a dedicated room, the sheer structural elegance is a monumental upgrade for your recreational lifestyle. Trade the tacky plastic for a timeless arena that commands respect during every intense volley. So guys, this was the video about the best air hockey tables. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.